Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to scan QR code in Google Home. To scan a QR code in the Google Home app, start by ensuring your app is installed and logged in to the account where you want to set up your device. Open the app and navigate to the Devices section, then tap the Add Device button. From there, select Matter Enabled Device, which will give you the option to scan a QR code. Make sure your QR code is ready. Hold your phone steady and center the code in the camera view. The app will prompt you for your camera permission if it hasn't been granted yet, so allow access. Once the QR code is scanned, follow the on-screen setup instructions, including connecting to Wi-Fi, assigning a room, and linking the device to your Google account. With the steps, your device will be recognized and ready to use in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.